In this video, we're diving into the differences between the Philips Sonicare Original W2, Optimal White Standard Sonic Toothbrush Heads, and genuine Philips Sonicare W3 Premium White Toothbrush Brush Heads. As a dental expert, I've tested both extensively to bring you the best insights. Let's get started with their key features. First, let's talk about cleaning performance. The genuine Philips Sonicare W3 Premium White Toothbrush Head removes surface stains in just 3 days, while the Philips Sonicare Original W2 Optimal White Standard Toothbrush Heads takes around 7 days. The bristles on the Philips Sonicare W3 toothbrush head are arranged in tightly packed tufts with diamond-shaped tips, making them more efficient at polishing stains away. On the other hand, the Philips Sonicare Original W2 Optimal White Standard Sonic Toothbrush Heads has softer, more flexible bristles arranged in straight rows. Now, onto the price. The genuine Philips Sonicare W3 Premium White Toothbrush Head is nearly twice as expensive as the Philips Sonicare Original W2 Optimal White Standard Sonic Toothbrush Heads, but it offers faster and more thorough cleaning. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the W2 is still a solid choice. Both brush heads share some similarities. They are compatible with most Sonicare handles, have auto mode selection, and come with reminder bristles that fade to indicate when it's time for a replacement. Understanding Philips Sonicare brush head technology, both W2 and W3 utilize high-speed vibrations and contoured bristles to effectively break up plaque. They ensure a deeper clean compared to manual toothbrushes. In conclusion, if you want faster whitening and superior stain removal, the genuine Philips Sonicare W3 Premium White Toothbrush Head is the way to go. However, for those on a budget, the Philips Sonicare Original W2 Optimal White Standard Sonic Toothbrush Heads still provides excellent cleaning performance over a slightly longer period. Ultimately, both brush heads enhance your oral care routine, making your teeth whiter and brighter. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.